ba KBF amashimwe abomfeshe Mairopa TV yabisana olota tuli babemba chene chibemba tulalanda nokumfwa imwe mwalandira okutira ba opposition fipuba bakokola mo 20 years echo bafiriwo okuteka imwe mrefu kuba ba PF president na mufumie buku ipusene na manifesto yaba PF nomba mwalabo mbashani na ba PF nga mrefu kuba ba PF president nimwe mwalebo mbana chavula mu server room mu 2016 nimwe mwalengero kutira amachushi fwe bena Zambia tupite molero nimwebo mwalifwala na uniform ya ku church ku UCZ sambilile nokulanda ekishinga kubena Zambia mulondo lole fishinga mwalishinguke Zambia ino ukulachitira campaign balungu neryo mwaumfuire balungu balandira tishakwata vision nomba lero balungu babipashani mwabaletere pampando pamulandwa fintu efye mwalechita na chavula museva room kumulungushi mwabula amavoti yako ayinde mwapera balungu lero tulechula fwe bena Zambia imwe icho mulingiro kuchita apologize kubena Zambia ishira mwabombere moja mu 2016 pamulandwa kutira muri ba Christian and this is a Christian nation. Be honest, be truthful, and as you are doing your campaigns, your hands off from Hakainde and UPND. Leave us. We'll sell our manifesto to the Zambian people in our own way. And we are asking them to give us a vote in 2021. Ero fifine mulanda ati wa UPND na mukokola ma politics. I think the best is mulabeko. Pantu nga pali president wanti. Unomo akala kumanya fe 14 years in politics. Vasatero tabala forminga party yabo bayingire ma politics from various parties for 33 years bali ni ba kansela kukabulonga ward mu 1978. That's when he started his political career. Mu 1983 baisa baba MP for Kabwata. Elo mu 2011 baisa Asia okuimini after being in opposition for 10 years mu party yabo PF baisa Peter. When Hakainde was getting into politics nishibalia bali bakale experience and every Zambian was looking at him and said we basuka bakotera ma politics ekentu bapereko ubufumu ekyo baba pere basata. 33 years was not a joke. And then he became a president. And you are busy talking about Hakainde. And only this year is going to be 14 years in politics. Apa kushtishe fipani fiesu. Na mumushtishe chipani chenu. Ngamulea ku PF. Lueni na ba PF banenu. Muisa mkulu wanaifo ba UPND. Awe fata tukweto mulandu na imwe. Nomba tuamie ba kofi. Tuati. Don't start insulting us. Kulada tulifipuba. Fwe bakalamba bonse to abefipuba kuli iwe. Niwe niwe wakwata amano pantu uli lawyer. Lawyer waisa iwe ama voti abantu ati lawyer bwino. Kulufia nyoko. Let's not wash our dirty linen in public. Because zimwa yamba lubuli. Lwa kutituambe okulachitana. Icho chise. Tafia moneke bwino. Umiti on the ground. Whilst you are selling your manifesto, we are also selling our manifesto. But the biggest thing you have to do is to apologize to Zambians. We are going through this bad economy because you are the one who worked on this win of President Lungu. So my request to you is that hand off UPND, hands off President Hakainde. Talk about other things. You have your own manifesto, you have your own book, sell it to Zambians for them to vote for you. We will continue selling our manifesto And our party to the people of Zambia, we've never changed. The message has always been the same.